Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about bias in the media. When we listen to or watch something to get our information, we are not getting all of the information objectively. There is bias all around us, and the media is no exception to that. Every time we listen to or watch something or even have a conversation with a friend, there is bias involved in that. This chart shows different media outlets and how their information falls on the objectivity scale. As you can see, not a lot falls in that green square at the top, and that's where everything is objective. We all like to think that we get our information from the most objective sources, but we really don't. The media bias is amplified by our own personal biases as well. It's hard to tell which came first, the media bias or our own personal biases. The media we seek out is based on our own personal biases, and the info that is put out there is provided based on our own personal biases as well.